Not all the three. Shuffle yourself. No, shuffle yourself.
Uday,
Hello, sir.
tell me what you're trying to do.
It's actually a team building, and they're trying to do it in a sprints. The objective of this is to do a self-organized team and inspect and adapt this approach. They have to finally realize after this exercise.
Yeah, you will do 8. 8, just move. 8.
What made you think of this exercise?
This was something, a practice which I got it from Scrum Master training. So it's the same thing which I'm trying to implement and educate my
Fantastic.
team.
Fantastic. It looks exciting.
1 minute. 15 seconds.
Kunjan, you're very bad at flying planes, looks like.
No, it should go. Scrum training.
Please.
That is a task.
Guys,
1
what do
minute
you
planning, 3 minutes.
what will you enter in Jira today? 8 hours of flying planes. I say no, Vic, stop it.
Okay.
How many you have to fly?
They have a target of
Self-set targets.
self-set targets.
Yeah, 4. Come on.
Whoever has made these rockets in college.
5 seconds.
Okay, अभी relax time.
Time out.
This is not a competition. From the first sprint, no competition. That's a basic rule from Scrum. If you compete, then your productivity automatically will come down because hold on. Now the final sprint, guys, there's a change again. There's no rules of who can fold how many members, and I can see that both were having a single testing area. Okay, now we'll define it as two different testing areas. Removing the obstacles. One single fold is removed. Okay, testing area, two different
Okay, so
places.
planning starts now.
Previously, everything.
So there's a lot of flexibility and we'll do more. Maybe we can.
And you don't have to do
Okay, execution time starts.
Hey, you have put the target.
Yes. Target.
Time started?
Dilip, are you wasting paper?
No, we are not wasting paper. We clearly believe in green technology. So we have used the printed papers which is lying waste near to the printer. I don't understand how people can actually waste paper like this. This is completely wrong.
Thank you very much.
1 minute over.
एक प्लेन नहीं बना सकते
साला तुम लोग अभी एक प्लेन नहीं बना, मैं 2 बना चुका हूँ।
हम लोगों को रिकॉर्ड नहीं क्रिएट करना है प्लेन बनाने का
2 फटाफट बना। 2 अभी छोड़ टेस्टिंग के लिए जा। तू फटाफट जरा 3-4 और बना, टेस्टिंग फेल हो।
टच नहीं किया, ऊपर टच किया।
कम ऑन 2-3-4 और बना।
2 minutes I'm taking.
4
Uday, how long does this exercise last?
It went on for almost 1 hour, 1.5 hours. That's it.
5 seconds.
5 seconds? Yes.
3, 2, 1.
Hey, I thought there was no competition here.
No, there's no competition. There should not be. The Scrum basic rule is no competing with other team.
No, we are not
You
reaching, but
should
we
not compete.
no, we made it for 6 and we did 8, so we are happy.
Actually, we would
Okay.
go for one more sprint with a mix of team members now. You guys shuffle yourself, make another 3, one more sprint, final sprint.
Aren't you worried about Mini coming in again and screaming at you guys?
No, I would not be.
Okay.
It's a productive time still.
Okay.
It was the same thing that we do back in the project, wherein the team will be shuffled.
Oh, okay.
And we would be able to get more productive work building more planes.
Okay, so shuffle your guys, shuffle, and one final sprint, okay?
Okay, so what's the plan? Let's
It's
go.
the same thing.
क्या हुआ पुष्कर? तुम्हारा प्लान रेडी है?
All right, execution time starts.
Execution time starts now.
Did you set the target?
So you guys have a new team member, is it?
Yeah.
So is the new team member happy with this team?
Yeah, yeah.
1 minute over.
You would not have done this much paperwork before, no?
After that, okay,
Sprint हर वक्त back to back होता है.
कोल्ड ड्रिंक भी पी सकते हैं इसमें.
हाँ लग गया तमाम लग गया तमाम. भाई आप सामने कहाँ रहे हो?
पूरा भी हो जाता है.
45 seconds.
Make it 10.
Not possible. जिन्होंने कभी कहा था हमने
30 seconds.
30 seconds ना जल्दी come on.
हो गया साले जल्दी जल्दी क्यों बोल रहे हैं? खुद नहीं कर सकता.
तुम दोनों कर रहे से डन अरे
Try.
चिन में निकला तो हमने 9 कर दिया यार. ले तेरे जाने से 9 हो गया.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Stop.
अच्छा ड्रेसिंग नहीं की.
Anyway, I know make this place clean.
Okay, yeah,
Let's
yeah,
do everything. The exercise session is over, but now we'll do a retrospective of the entire sprint. What happened? Okay. What went wrong?
Please
Yeah, put back the
Put
chairs.
all your planes
Put back
here.
all the chairs and
we will set this cap yeah.
There was no sequential process, right?
Yeah.
There was one phase where I observed that you guys followed sequential and you did not meet target. You did not meet the target. Getting it? So it is self-organized and you're inspecting what I did in my past and you planned it in the next sprint and corrected it to get it more productive, right? And never ever compare with your other team members. If you start comparing, the productivity automatically decreases because you're adding on stress to yourself. Keep this in your mind that whenever you're planning, be very clear about how much you can burn. If I see sprint 1, everybody have given 4. The team 1 and team 2, you have actually given very low. That's because you don't know your strength of your team, right? That's called as underestimation. Right? Nothing wrong in this. There's nothing called as right and wrong in this. We are exactly. That's the reason Scrum says inspect and see. In Aditi, the team would have performed say 11 points per sprint. Don't try to compare in Aditi. We did like this. It might be the same module. It might be the same thing, but people are different. Right? So that's the reason they say inspect and adapt. Inspect your previous Scrum sprint. Plan for your next sprint. Inspect your previous sprint, plan for your next sprint. It's not only about burning your effort, it's about what you did right, what you did wrong. Okay, there was an obstacle given, but the planning didn't happen. I saw there was one team which was performing like and they put 6 as a target. Okay, 6 as a target. They're tearing papers which is more than 6. Why do you need more than you need quarter of the page, right? You just need to tear how many papers? 2 papers. First you should think about what I'm going to deliver. Okay, then there is an objective, what I'm going to deliver. Then on that objective you start planning. Okay? But I was just seeing, guys are tearing. Why do you do that? So that was to be done in your, the next retrospective thinking that I'm wasting some time on that place. Tearing more than papers what I'm doing it. And sequential test. Never ever do sequential execution the way we do it in SDLC in Scrum. It's always parallel. One guy does a fold. See, if you see the productivity in the final sprint, you have learned the sprint once, whatever the learnings you have come from sprint 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you have learned and you have accumulated everything and you have put it in sprint 6. That's the reason your productivity has gone up so high. The obstacles, the Scrum Master has removed your obstacles. He has made things easier for you guys. So it increases more productivity. Getting it? So this is what I was and see the point which you're talking about self-organized team. You yourself organized and you yourself executed. Scrum Master did not come and say, hey guys, do the plane like this folding and do that like this. You guys planned it. In sprint 1 you would have designed it in a different way. Sprint 2 you would have designed it in a different way. You tried all combinations. So the team commits. The team decides what he wants to do. The Scrum Master never disturbs how you have to do it. Right?
Same as last time, is it?
Guys, listen. Listen, no obstacles,